To add a file, you go to this blue button and you press it and then press media. It will go to the last folder you were using, and then you can press that to go back to the folder that folder is from. And now let's go back to the folder again. And there are audio files and image files and videos, and then you can add all of them just by dragging it to the workspace over here. And on top of the video that's already there are video and image tracks that you can add onto. Look at these two that I just added. And below is for audio, and there are 3 of each. And then if you want to have a full view of all the tracks you're working with, you can press this and it will open up to be able to see all the tracks you're working with. And there are things you can click to enable or disable the sound or the image of it. And so if you press it, you will not see, just like this. And this lock button is to disable anything to be done to the specific track when you're working on other things. Same thing for the audio here. If you are using one of the audio that you have already edited and then you don't want to use the other one, you can just disable it.